I want to find the resultant couple moment acting on this system. And I recognize that I've got two couples. That is, I've got two sets of forces equal and opposite center, separated by a distance. So I've got the 30-pound couple and the 20-pound couple. And what I'll do is I'll take each couple independently, find the couple moment that they create, and then just add them directly together. Okay. So let's start with the 30-pound. I'm going to show you again that you can use either point to find this moment, right? So if I find moment of 30, I could do it about C first of all. So again, for this one, I go from C to D. So again, that top 30 pounds, no moment about C. The bottom one is negative 18J, okay, crossed with 30K. Right? So the R goes down in the Y direction, and then my 30 is in the positive K direction. From that, I get negative 540I. Similarly, I can sum the moments of 30 uh, about D. And what happens here is now all of a sudden my R vector flips. It goes from D up to C. So now my J is a positive J. But now my F on this one is this top F, which is pointing in the negative z direction. So it'll be minus 30k. Again, this bottom guy goes right through point D so that it creates no moment. From this, I get negative 540. So again, makes no difference which point you take. Okay, you always get the same answer. So for each couple, you just use a different one. Okay. And do whatever's easiest to make your life the easiest, which is always from one force to the other force. So let's go ahead and do M20, okay? And we'll do that about point E. So on this one, I'm going to choose point E, going to get that vector. This 20 goes away, so now I'm going to do, I go negative 9 in the Y direction and plus 12 in the Z direction. That's my R vector from E to D. Of course, this upper 20-pound force doesn't go away. The only one I have is that 20 pounds down there. And that is in the positive X direction. So I cross it with 20I. Okay. When I do that cross product, I get 180K plus 240J. Now all I need to do is I've got the couple moment of the 30, couple moment of the 20, I just add them together. Again, it's free vector. I can choose different points for either one. I get the same answer either way, so just treat them independently, then add them together. And all I'm left with then is negative 540i, just adding my i's, j's, and k's together, 240j plus 180k. That's the total moment of those couples. Okay, and again, the location doesn't matter, so break them apart, do them independently, choose the easiest way to calculate it, and then just add them together.